In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Freshsales account. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Freshsales website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or you can simply search for Freshsales in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all the solutions they offer. But our goal here is to create a new account. Next, find and click on the Login button you'll spot at the top right corner of the page. This might seem a bit counterintuitive because you're not logging in yet. But this is where you'll find the option to create a new account. When you're taken to the Login page, look for a link that says, Create an Account. Give that a click. You're on your way to starting with Freshsales. But there's a bit more to do. Now, you'll want to scroll down on the page, keeping an eye out for the button that says Try It Free under the Freshdesk section. Go ahead and click that. It's worth noting that Freshdesk is part of the Freshworks suite, and your Freshsales account is connected here. With that clicked, you'll now begin filling out some personal details to get started. The first thing you'll need to do is type in your first name. Enter it into the designated box, making sure you spell it just right. Following this, you'll need to enter your last name in the next field. Easy as pie. Once your names are entered, you'll be asked for your work email. Make sure this is an email you check often, as it will be used for all your Freshsales communications. Enter your company name right after. Even if you're a freelancer or a small team, the company name helps personalize your workspace. The next detail is your phone number. Carefully input your number so Freshsales can reach you if needed. Double-check each digit to avoid any errant entries. After you've entered all the required information, you'll see another Try It Free button. Give that a click, and you're nearly there. To set up your Freshdesk workspace effectively, you'll be prompted with a few questions about your company. These are designed to tailor the Freshsales experience to better meet your needs. Relax and take a moment to provide thoughtful answers here. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for a Freshsales account. Congratulations on taking this step towards organizing and optimizing your sales process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Freshsales' resources or reach out for support. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!